Today we have 3 families, Zoe's, Rumi's, and Amira's.
Let's go.
Is this our cabin? It's so cozy in here.
Wow.
Please take your seats.
Look. Sweetheart, you pick first.
No, darling, I insist.
Go ahead.
No, you first.
Oh.
This seat is perfect for you.
Yes.
It's clearly meant for you.
Yes.
Oh boy, these parents. I'm sitting here. Yay. What do you think?
All right, honey. Then you sit here.
Yes.
No, dear, you go ahead.
Yes.
Oh, all right. We did drag that out. Phew, finally seated. I wonder how the blue family is doing. Here's your blue cabin. But where are the blue outfits?
We don't know.
Oops.
Already here? Oh, they got a non-magical ticket. Oh, I've got one more. Yay! Strange. There's magic dust, but no costume. Must be a knockoff. Wow, so awesome! Hey, what about me? Don't be sad. We're in the workshop already. Look at all these cool supplies. Wow, I want this and this. Oh, over here. Awesome. Zoe, you're on a roll. Let's grab this ribbon. How am I supposed to untangle you now? Oh well, I'll cut you. What a dazzling shine. Zoe, by the way, that's tape, not trim. Oh wow, that's sticky. Hey, careful not to get stuck. Too late, I'm stuck. Oh dear, I'll turn this into a new top. Look how pretty. A little, okay, a lot of blue glitter. Oh, went overboard. Oh well, it happens. And here's the skirt. Can I try it on? Of course, it turned out great. The silver belt will match perfectly. Total vibe. I'll add extra gems. Ooh, luxury style. Sapphire earrings, and the look is done. Wow, Zoe looks like a queen. Careful not to blind anyone with that sparkle. Have fun.
Here we are.
Finally, time to relax. Oh, the passengers are asleep.
Whoa.
I'll tuck them in. Little angels. Okay. Which foam sheet should I choose? What kind of question is that? Obviously gold. I'll sketch a design and carefully cut it out. Now I need to trim the center. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'll glue it on, and the frame is done. Pop! Perfect. I made 3 pairs. But wait, that's not all. What's a movie without popcorn? I'll cut out the printed template. The bottom needs to fold like this. Roll it up. 3 cups for the whole family. And of course, popcorn. Load it onto the cart. And off to the golden cabin. Now we're about to watch the best channel on YouTube. Yay, awesome!
Amazing.
I made glasses for you. Put them on. Nice. I guessed the size perfectly.
Why did I get the smallest popcorn?
A growing body needs proper snacks.
All right, enjoy it, sweetie.
And here's the TV. Enjoy the show. Cool, a new episode. Total chill vibes, guys. Hey, can I grab a piece? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Wow, that was amazing.
Same. So cool. I'm so bored. Let's play something.
Sorry, sweetheart, we're reading.
Dad, I have nothing to do. Passenger is bored. Well, that won't do. The other girls look bored too. Let's come up with something. I've already got an idea. Okay. Aha, a pencil. I'll turn it into a little horse. But first, let's paint it purple. Carefully now. And of course, glitter, right? Yes. Now for the top. I'll place the template on folded felt. Tracing it now. What is it? You'll see soon. There are 2 layers here, did you notice? Now I need to stitch them together. It takes longer than using a machine, but I'm too lazy to grab it. I left a little opening at the bottom. Cutting it out, the mane will be shiny foam. With a thin brush, I'll paint the eye. Now I need stuffing. I'll draw a cloud and... pop! Wow, it's so fluffy. Filling the piece. Sliding the straw inside. Securing it with glue and trimming it. Oh, tulle! Aw, how adorable! It'll make the cutest skirt. So sweet. And now we insert our pencil. Perfect! How lovely is that? I should make one for my little sister too. Eva would be thrilled. Lally, take this to the girls.
Okay.
Mia, we made you a pony. A pony? Oh, so cool! Wow! Nay! Look what I can do!
Great job, sweetheart.
Yeah, baby.
I want to turn too. Let me try.
Oh no, honey, please don't. All we want is peace, calm, and a little harmony. Please go play in another cabin. Ruby, look what I've got! Nay! Wow, no way! Wow! I want one too!
Yeah.
Here you go. Whoa, thanks! Giddy up!
Aw, they're so cute.
Let's ride over to Z! La la la! What's that you've got? Bestie, come join us!
Hey!
But I don't have a pony! Aw, don't worry. Here you go. Thanks! Ride with us! Where to? Same as always, left to right. Let's go! So, the kids are gone.
Whoa.
Cabin's empty. I've got a plan. La la la, do. I've got a top secret mission. Upgrade my suitcase. What's wrong with it? It needs a hidden snack compartment, so all of this fits inside. Got it. All right, I'll try. Phew. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, let's pack all the snacks in here. Oh man, it won't close. I'll have to cut off the wheels. All right, got it. I'll place the foam sheet and trim it to shape. The goodies will go right here. Wow, Zoe sure has an appetite. Snap, and everything's hidden. Nice. I'll decorate the suitcase with stickers. Ooh, adorable. Rhinestones on the handle and brand new wheels. Vroom, off to Zoe. Psst, your order. Ooh, finally. Wow. Nobody's watching?
Huh?
You asleep? Stay asleep. Over here. I'll eat it all myself. No sharing. My precious. What's in your suitcase?
Huh?
Is that candy? No. Are you sure? Absolutely. Really? Not sweets? Promise. Then why are you wearing a bib? It's the trend of the season. Did someone say candy? Nope. Open it up. Let's check. Easy. It's just clothes.
Look.
All right. Doesn't look like anything forbidden. Fooled you, my little cuties. Okay, nobody peeking? My yummy treats. I'm about to eat it all. Whoa, are those snacks? Gimme! Oh, Soda, let's fuel the pony. You're the best, Mommy. Hey, we're up. I'll take just a little, Mrs. Zoe. Thanks. Well, great. There go my sweets. Which foam sheet should I pick? Every piece looks so pretty. I'll go with purple. Trace the wing template and cut along the lines. I secure the second layer with hot glue. Place the feathers. And now let's shake the glitter out of the soft frog. I carefully make slits and thread the elastic. The wings turned out adorable. Let's try them on Rumi.
Wow.
And wings for Mira.
Wow.
What about me? What about me?
Hey.
Sapphire Zoe, Diamond Rumi, and Ruby Mira are ready. We're ready. Let's fly.
Where are they? Huh? Oh, finally you're here. We can start the concert.
Fans are thrilled to see their idols. Welcome to the stage, Huntrix. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe.